Hello people, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Karthik Das. Today I'm going to tell you why you should use digital platform like Google Ads to advertise your products or services in comparison to traditional marketing. Without further ado, let's get started. What is traditional marketing? It is advertising using newspaper, television, radio, banners and flyers to advertise your products or services. Disadvantages of using traditional marketing. Number one, unable to track who viewed the ad. Number two, difficult to keep a track of the people who viewed the ad and contacted you. Number three, most of the time these ads are expensive. Now let's talk about digital platforms to advertise, specifically Google Ads. I'm going to give you 6 advantages of Google Ads. Number one, easy to track how many times your ads were displayed. Number two, easy to track how many people clicked on the ad. Number three, it's cost effective. You can choose the budget that you want to spend per day. Number four, you only pay when somebody clicks on the ad. Now, this is also called as pay per click. Number five, you have a manual as well as automated bidding strategies that helps you run your ads smoothly. Number six, gives your store and product visibility online. This is just to help you understand the basics of digital marketing and the advantages of digital marketing. I will be talking in detail about Google Ads in my upcoming videos. Until then, remember, stay home and stay safe. And if you like the video, please share and subscribe. Until we meet again, adios.
Wow.